To fix a window air conditioner that is not blowing cold air, several potential issues should be addressed. A faulty thermostat setting, clogged air filters, and refrigerant depletion are common causes of this problem. First, it is essential to check the thermostat settings. Sometimes, the solution is as simple as adjusting the temperature to a setting that is below room temperature. If this does not resolve the issue, the next step is to clean the air filters, as clogged filters can prevent airflow and affect the air conditioner's cooling efficiency. To clean the filters, start by unplugging the air conditioner and removing the filter. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove dust and debris. Then clean the filter with mild soap and water, and allow it to air dry before reinstalling it. After cleaning the filter, plug in the air conditioner and check if the problem persists. If the issue remains, it may be necessary to have a professional refill the refrigerant, as a depletion of refrigerant can cause the air conditioner to blow warm air and make strange noises. It is crucial to consult the manual when attempting to repair the air conditioner to ensure the process is done correctly. By following these steps, a window air conditioner that is not blowing cold air can be effectively fixed.